Okay, we're ready to sew the pocket on. I've got my pocket pinned in place, and I'm going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance around the outside edge of the pocket and a 3.0 stitch length on my sewing machine. I'm going to start right at the top, take a couple of stitches to back tack, and then go on. Make sure you take your pins out so you don't sew over them. When you get close to the bottom, raise your presser foot and take 1 stitch across at an angle, and then raise it again and turn it 45 degrees. And then continue. Okay, and our pocket is finished. Now we can sew the other side.